2.5 साल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ। यहाँ मैं बच्चों को क्राफ्ट सिखाती हूँ। मैंने यहाँ बच्चों को 3 तरह के क्राफ्ट सिखाए हैं, पीओपी क्राफ्ट्स, पेपर क्राफ्ट्स और ब्रेड क्राफ्ट्स। इन बच्चों के साथ काम करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
हम लोग शाम को तो रोज मिलते ही हैं, जिसमें हम गेम्स खेलते हैं और इसके अलावा महीने के आखिरी में हम आपस में मिलकर के किसी न किसी का, जिसका भी उस मंथ में बर्थडे होता है, मनाते हैं।
ये सीनियर नागरिक दिल खोलकर आर्थिक मदद देने में भी पीछे नहीं रहते। हाल ही में उत्तराखंड में आई आपदा के बाद इन्होंने हेल्पेज इंडिया उत्तराखंड रिलीफ फंड में 71,000 रुपए का योगदान दिया। हेल्पेज इंडिया सीनियर नागरिकों की और संस्थाओं को भी प्रेरित करता है कि वो इसी प्रकार से एडवांटेज सेंटर बनवाएं और ऐसे कार्यक्रम चलाएं। हेल्पेज इंडिया के एडवांटेज प्रोग्राम के तहत चुस्त बनो और दुरुस्त रहो, यही खुशहाल जिंदगी की राह है।
I hope this is a very good beginning for the presentation, and I think everyone thoroughly enjoyed it. Like I enjoyed it when I saw it first. This is a interactive participatory session, and I always start at the beginning and tell that people can interrupt me at any moment. But it will be nice if you can raise the hand so that I can focus on the thing. It is not an in-depth analysis or in-depth knowledge discussion that will be provided, because it is a general overview. So we will not enter in a detailed discussion on this thing. We will keep it, because we have to finish the topic in a limited time also. And finally, request is that it will be nice if the mobiles are in the silent or vibrator mode, as a part of request for respect for everyone, because the others also want to listen or participate actively. In case anyone wants to talk, they can leave in the room and come back without disturbing others. Thank you. We'll start. Aging. Well, aging has been traditionally defined as continuous irreversible decline in efficiency and of various physiological processes. And it terms itself, which talks about decline, evokes a negative feeling. And it's associated with multitude of changes in social behavior and different aspects. It's not only about the body that we change, but it's about the psychological things. There are social environmental factors that change. And as we see in the last 100 years, the population growth, although has increased, what is the number of people that are getting old has also increased. And this is one of the greatest achievements of the last century and this century, where the medical sciences is evolving very rapidly. We are able to protect as many lives as possible compared to what we used to see 100 years back. Our expectancy has increased from 30 years to nearly 75, 65 years across the globe. And also, it is also a great challenge because it put increased economic and social demands on all the countries. But there is an interesting thing, the important thing is that old age people are also a resourceful person, and they are always ignored because they do not, once you are old, they are not to be considered as a person, as an asset that can be utilized. We will be talking about different aspects associated with aging in this presentation. As the population is aging faster, the segment of the old people beyond 50 years is also growing very rapidly. It is expected that by 2025, there will be around 1.2 billion people who will be over 60 years of age, and by 2050, there will be around 2 billion. And more difficult part is that 80% of them will be in developing countries. As we all are aware that, and as we see around in Delhi and NCR also, that the new hospital and whatever medical facilities that are available in the best of the countries, we have it in Delhi. So we are able to prevent death, and we are able to increase the longevity of life. But what we are not able to increase is the quality of life for those old people. As a student